Hi, I'm Mike, CEO of gotLearning. I'm here to share with you a cool way we use gotLearning with my students this week. Last episode, I talked a lot about quick writes and how we captured learning as it was occurring. Using a strategy from Penny Kittle is that while my students are actually doing their quick writes, I'm also writing on the whiteboard. One of my goals this year is to teach the students to provide peer feedback. So we're starting with providing feedback on my writing. And I'm going to show you how I did this in gotLearning. So I created an assignment called Feedback on Mr. Rutherford's Quick Writes. And you'll see here I've given directions on the quick write. I've also given a feedback choice board, peer feedback choice board from Caitlin Tucker from reference for the students. And then I took pictures of or scanned in the writing, one story with two pictures because I went to another board, and then had students provide feedback. And it was really interesting what I've learned from this. I learned that my students are not ready to provide peer feedback. As I went through each of my students' messages about their feedback, I found that it mainly contained praise. And as Grant Wiggins says, praise keeps you in the game, but feedback makes you better. So I know that I need to have many lessons about providing feedback with exemplars and some coaching and all those kind of things to get through. And we'll continue to do so as I keep adding my quick writes to this assignment and they keep providing feedback. And then I'll know when they're ready to be able to provide feedback to one another. Please like, repost, or share with a colleague. If you aren't using gotLearning yet, you can do so for free at gotLearning.com.